said, could they come and play here? And he was so pleased with how they played that he would come and support. Yeah.
Morag just rang me. She asked me to.
Sorry?
Morag rang me. She asked me to remind Pete that he's got a gig tonight.
Please, let's welcome onto the stage Crybaby session.
We're going to play a gypsy song for you called One Winged Bird. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. I just want to say a quick thank you to Morag. Thanks for having us so long.
It's lovely having you here.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh wait, no, it's not. 1, 2, 3, 4. And God crying out to cry. The flies spread their lies. They're lying there at night. £3. Go back to school, son, learn from the best. Gotta fail in your test before you fail at the rest. Go down, down, down. You're always gonna go down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Song for anyone who drinks wine. Hello, Adam.
Hey man, right?
Nice to see you. We'll start again then. What a shame. Hey! Never fallen in love with someone, never fallen in love with someone, never fallen in love with someone you should have fallen in love with. So we Stray Cat Strut. Hey! 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at glass, look at smile. Thank you. We've got 2 songs left. I just want to say a quick thanks again to Morag for having us. Thank you so much.
Go Morag!
It's a ska song called Surrender. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. It's our last song. Thanks again for having us. We've had a great time. It's been a really good weekend. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Thanks so much for having us.
Thanks so much. Thank you.
First time yesterday.
Show her the sequence. What we did is we put little butterflies. Yeah. Try and put on a show to make up for my bad playing, really.
Brilliant.
I feel more comfortable than yesterday.
Yeah, man, that was nice. That was, yeah.
Not sweaty now though. I had to add in the 12 just.
Oh, it's fucking amazing as well. Yeah, mate, I got it.
Because I was just like, if there's pauses in the song, I could do it. I'd just be like,
Yeah.
I was trying to.